U.S. prosecutors have informed the Southern District Court of New York that they are adding conspiracy to commit money laundering charges against Indian national Nikhil Gupta. If convicted, Gupta could face an additional 20 years in prison, raising his total potential sentence to 40 years. He was arrested in Prague on June 30, 2023, and extradited to the U.S. on February 7, 2024 for charges related to a murder-for-hire plot against Khalistani separatist Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. Initially extradited on charges of murder-for-hire conspiracy and conspiracy to commit murder-for-hire, each carrying a maximum 10-year sentence, Gupta now faces an additional money laundering charge. U.S. prosecutors argue that this new charge is rooted in the same facts presented during the extradition process, specifically the alleged transfer of funds to pay a hitman. Gupta's defense lawyer, Michael Rooney, has challenged the move, stating that the new charge violates the rule of specialty under the US-Czech Extradition Treaty. He contends that Czech law does not criminalize the mere transfer of money for criminal activity in the same manner as U.S. law. Moreover, the new charge carries a significantly higher penalty, doubling Gupta's potential prison time, which he argues is an example of overcharging to pressure him into a plea deal. The U.S. Justice Department maintains that the money laundering charge falls under Article 17, subsection 1, paragraph B of the US-Czech Extradition Treaty, which allows prosecution for offenses based on the same facts as those in the extradition request. The Czech Ministry of Justice, when questioned, stated that it had not received any formal request from the U.S. for an extension of extradition, but confirmed that no waiver was needed under Czech law if the new charge was based on the same facts. Gupta's legal team had appealed to the Czech Ministry of Justice to block the addition of charges, raising concerns over due process and potential diplomatic pressure from the United States. However, the Czech authorities sided with the United States interpretation, stating that they did not require an explicit waiver for the additional charge. Meanwhile, Gupta's family is attempting to crowdfund for private legal representation, as India's Ministry of External Affairs has not provided assistance. His next court hearing is scheduled for 28 March 2025. The case has sparked concerns over diplomatic influence and the potential misuse of extradition laws to increase sentencing pressure on defendants.